Welcome. If you want to get iPhone keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A51, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, click on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get this application from the Arvin apps, and when you got it, you can simply install. Let's open. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK, and tap OK another time. Right now we can go back, tap to switch input methods, and we have to switch from the Samsung keyboard to English, green Apple keyboard. Tap finish. And right now let's open, for example, messages and take a look. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks very close to the iOS theme. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.